Good afternoon, students. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Today, I, Miss Garima Singh, your Vedic Maths teacher, will teach you this subject. But before starting, we will discuss that what is Vedic Maths. Vedic Maths is a collection of techniques or sutras to solve mathematical arithmetics in easy and faster way. But why Vedic Maths is important? As using regular mathematical steps, solving problems sometimes are complex and time consuming. But using Vedic Maths techniques, numerical calculations can be done very fast. Now, the uses of Vedic Maths. First of all, it makes the calculation faster than normal maths. Secondly, it eradicates fear of maths for the students who are having math phobia. Thirdly, it sharpens minds and increases mental ability and intelligence. Fourthly, it increases speeds and accuracy. And last, it improves memory and boosts self-confidence. So now, let's start. Our first topic is multiplication with specific numbers. Inside this topic, the first part is multiplication with 11. So, we will learn today the maths trick to multiply any number by 11 in our head. So, let's start. Students, as you know very well that when you multiply a one-digit number by 11, it gives the number itself 2 times. As you can see, 1 multiplied by 11 is 11. 2 into 11 is 22 and 9 into 11 is 99. When you multiply a one-digit number by 11, it gives the number itself 2 times. But it is different for the case of two-digit number. So we will take now a two-digit number like 221 into 11. Now see how you have to multiply it. First of all, write the first number as it is. Then you have to add both these numbers. Then write the last number as it is. So see, the answer is 231. We'll do the next example. Our two-digit number is 62. Multiply by 11. As I have told you, write the first digit as it is. 6. As you can see it very clearly. Now add these two digits. 6 plus 2, 8. And then write the last digit as it is. The answer is 682. Students, now next we will take 68. 68 multiplied by 11. As I have told you, the first number in the first place. Now you have to add these both the digits. 6 plus 8, 14. 14, you will write 4 here and 1 will go carry to the left hand side of the number. Again I am repeating the first digit in the first place. Then you have to add both the digits. By adding 6 and 8, it will come 14. 4 here and 1 will carry to the left hand side. Then the last digit as it is. Now what you have to do here? This. So our answer will become, you have to add these both the numbers. 6 plus 1, 7, then 4 as it is, then 8. See how easily you can do this question. Now we will take the next. 59 multiplied by 11. How much it is? The first digit in the first place. Now you have to add both these numbers. 5 plus 9. How much it is? It is 14. You have to write 4 here and 1 will go carry to the left hand side. Now the last number as it is. So what will be the answer? The answer will be adding these both numbers, 5 plus 1, 6, then 4 and 9 as it is. The answer is 649. Now we will take a 3-digit number. See, the first number in the first place, 3. Then you have to add both these numbers. 3 plus 2, what it is? 5. Then you have to add the next two numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, and the last digit as it is 1. Again I am repeating. First of all you will write the first digit as it is. Then you have to add the first two numbers. 3 plus 2, 5. Then you have to add the next two numbers. 2 plus 1, 3, and the last digit as it is. So the answer is 3531. Take a 4-digit number. 1, 5, 3, 4, 2 multiplied by 11. As I have told you, the first digit in the first place. So here is 1. Now add the next two numbers. 1 plus 5, 6. Then add the next two. 5 plus 3, 8. Now add the next two. 3 plus 4, 7. Then next two numbers. 4 plus 2, 6, and the last digit at the last place. See, the answer is 168762. This is the last example, and we will do this example orally without using pen and paper and without doing any calculations. We will do the calculation in our mind. So, as I've told you, the first digit in the first place. Then you have to add the two digits. 5 plus 2, 7. Then you have to add the next two. 2 plus 3, 5, and the last digit in the last place. See how easily you can multiply any number. Either it is a 2-digit, 3-digit, 4, 5, and so on with 11 very easily in your mind without using any rough column. The more you practice, the better the results are. I am giving you some more questions for practice. Please practice it at your home in your rough notebook. Thank you.